Good evening. Today we will be covering the post-market analysis dated 15th July 2022. Indian benchmark indices ended on positive note in the highly volatile session on July 15th with Nifty closing at 16,049 points. Nifty midcap and small cap rose 0.7% and 0.3% respectively. At close, the Sensex was up 344.63 points at 53,760.78. BSE midcap and small cap indices gained 0.5% each. On the stock-specific front, we have Tata Consumer Products, Titan Company, and Tata Motors were among the top Nifty gainers. Tata Consumer Products Limited is up for a third straight session today due to cool-off in commodity prices, particularly palm oil, and low fee holding. Meanwhile, Nifty Auto amid mixed sectoral performance has stood strong and in fact emerged as the outlier, one of the factors being, Maharashtra government has reduced the VAT on petrol and diesel. On the flip side, we have Tata Steel, Power Grid Corporation, and HCL Tech which were the major laggards in today's S market, down up to 2.6%. IT stocks continued their downward journey with HCL Technologies, TCS, Wipro witnessing selling pressure. An interesting fact is that the record plunge of the rupee is not helping curb the fall in IT stocks. While shares of Tata Steel Long Products fell over 4% today after the company reported a loss of 331 crore rupees in the June quarter. For the recent development in the corporate world, we have Yes Bank informed that its the board of directors have signed a binding term sheet with JC Flowers Asset Reconstruction Private Limited for strategic partnership in relation to sale of identified stressed loans of the bank. Accordingly, the bank has decided that the JC Flowers ARC will be base bidder for a proposed sale of an identified stressed loan portfolio of the bank aggregating to up to 48,000 crore rupees. Adani Ports and Special Economic Zone said its acquisition of Haifa port with a local Israeli partner will boost trade lanes with the company's Indian ports and could better connect Europe and the Middle East in the longer term. After a 2-year tender process, Adani Ports and Local Chemicals and Logistics Group GADOT clinched the $1.18 billion winning bid for Haifa port. Adani Ports will have a 70% stake and GADOT will hold the remaining 30%. Cipla Health Limited has signed definitive agreements for acquisition of Endura Mass, a renowned nutritional supplement brand in the category of weight gain. With this strategic acquisition, company will be expanding its portfolio into a new category of weight gain, thereby catering to a very specific nutritional need for a set of consumers. The addition of Endura and Endura Mass to portfolio perfectly complements the existing offerings across all key wellness categories and would hence help to offer an even more comprehensive solution to all key consumer needs. FMCG major Dabur India Limited has 4 brands in its kitty having a turnover of 1,000 crore rupees and above. Its 2 brands, Dabur Honey and Dabur Chyawanprash, have over 500 crore rupees in sales. The 4 brands are Dabur Amla, Dabur Vatika, Dabur Red Paste and Juice brand Real. Telecom operator Bharti Airtel on Thursday said it has allotted over 7.1 crore equity shares to internet major Google for 734 rupees apiece. Out of the total investment with Airtel, $300 million was earmarked for implementing commercial agreements, which include investments in scaling Airtel's offerings that covers a range of devices to consumers via innovative affordability. You can contact us from the details mentioned on the screen via missed call, WhatsApp or email. Thank you for being patient and listening the video to the end. Please do like, share, and subscribe the channel to know the latest updates in the market. That's all for today. See you tomorrow.